and my victim for today is Peter. So in order to get him into the proper mood to work with our welding function here, I'm just going to do a quick bitmap here to get him all lined up here. So we're going to do this right here, delete original. And all right, we got Peter. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this old one and I'm going to get rid of old Peter. We got new Peter here. All right. So what I'm going to do now is, let's just say I have a box right here, and I want to make it so Peter is welded to this box. Say if I wanted to put Peter in this box and have him cut out. That's what I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But before I do that, I want to show you this an easy, simple weld command. Is I have two boxes right here. Say I want those two boxes interjoined together where I could have this all cut out just around the outside right here. What I would do in this particular application is, let's get rid of that guy right there, is I would hold down the shift and then select whatever I want welded together. And I'm going to go up to object and I'm going to look for shaping, which is about the middle command there. And I am going to go weld, and that is all welded together now. But say if I want Peter attached to this, well, I just can't put him in there. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select Peter. I'm going to go Control U is to ungroup. So that's our command for this one is ungroup, Control U. And in this particular one, I'm going to use the create a boundary that will then pop up on the top. And I just did that right there. And if I move that over, this is what I got going on right there. So that's awesome. So now, but I still haven't got Peter attached to that yet. So I'm going to hold down shift and the outline on that particular one. I'm going to go back up to object again. I'm going to go to shaping and weld. Now Peter is joined in there. Now there's some cleaning up I would have to do right up in here. It's got something going on with his glasses, but for this purpose, we don't need to worry about that. And then I'm just going to take Peter here, and to make things easier with him, I'm just going to group them back together. That way Peter can stay as a whole. And I would come in here. Well, actually, I'll leave him there just for a second more. And what I would do to make sure that this was be able to cut out, we always say we put things. Oh, not that one though. We put things in red so we know that it's going to be cut out. And then we would also follow it up with making sure that it's hairline. So everything that's in red right now would be cut out. And so then we would just take Peter and we put him right back over the top, and he'd be cut out on top of there. And that's how we perform a weld.